Welcome to Stress-Free Coding video, Angular part 14. So let's start right away. Today I will talk to you about various topics. Coding an HTTP delete method with node.js, how to call a delete from Angular, how reload the component by code, how use native timer set timeout. Hey, stop. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Let's take this one step at a time. Let's suppose that after placing some items in the cart, our user realizes that B has gone over the budget and therefore wants to remove something superfluous. Well, step 1, we define the delete method, which reads the product ID parameter from URL, finds the index in the cart array that matches the item. If it exists, remove the item from the array. Okay, add the new up delete method, delete URL ap slash cart comma function request result okay, const id equals %, equals query, and this made I read id param from query string in URL and %, convert value in int value. Okay, print id in console id equals id, and then declare a var index equal cart items dot find index item dot product ID equals ID. In this way, I find an element in array using an arrow function. And then, if index array is different to -1, I set a new variable, article name, for example, cart items at position index name. Now, with splice function, remove cart items element, cart splice index position, one element start from index position, and return with send, return a JSON string, example article, use interpolation, $article name has been removed. Else return article not found. Okay, step 2, we had delete to the list of allow course methods. Comma delete. Okay. Step 3, we open Angular project and integrate a new method into the service that uses the HTTP client object to call the delete exposed by the web API and warns us by alert when operation is finished. open data provider service TypeScript and add a method. I call delete article. Delete article, okay. Receive a cart article any type. Okay. This.http client instance delete URL is a copy from another URL. Okay, and concatenate param ID equals dollar bracket cart article product ID. Okay, subscribe. Okay. And when operation is completed, print an alert. Article has been deleted. Step 4. Now we just have to add a button in HTML of a card component. Card component HTML. Math column def delete action. For example, delete action, we call delete action th table cell. Okay, table cell input, replace input type number type with an input type button. Value the label is the label button, delete. Okay. Replace on change with click event Angular. A simple click. Okay, and call delete cart item. Okay. Okay. Property delete cart item does not exist. So integrate a new function in cart component TypeScript. Cart article any. Before delete, asks for confirmation. If we use confirm native function, do you want to remove this article? Cart article dot name on the cart. And then call new service method this dot data provider dot delete article cart article param. And finally, to reload the component after 1 second. To do this, we use the timer of native function set timeout, which expects as a parameter the name of a function or piece of code to execute and the waiting time in a millisecond before executing the statement. Set timeout. Windows, that location to reload and timeout 1 second. Okay, now let's save and start both projects. We add a few items to the cart and then try to empty the cart. One here. Add a second element. Okay. Another one. And go to cart. Wow. Missing delete button. Well, why? I forgot to add delete action and display columns. Okay. Do you want to remove this article? Okay, the name of article. Okay, article has been deleted. Wow, reload missing. Okay. I forgot our bracket after reload method. Okay, save all. And retry. Okay, article list, add to cart, add another item, add to cart, okay, cart, delete, article has been deleted, a page is reload, okay, element is deleted correctly, okay, and now I empty the cart. Okay, that's all for today. Like and subscribe for the next stress-free coding video. Bye.